Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode from my What's in My Kit series. My name's Amia Serrano, and I'm a fashion stylist. And today, what I'm sharing in my kit is a sewing kit. The reason why I have this sewing kit is because you may need to do a little bit of sewing on set. Like if something needs to be hemmed or taken in a little on a client, if they're working like red carpet or something, but typically you would hire a tailor for something like that. But it's good to have this on hand so you can do a little bit of hand sewing. Nothing major, but just a little bit. I have a confession to make. I don't know how to hand sew, but I have it in my kit in case my assistant can. I actually need to look it up on YouTube. I know it's fairly easy. I just haven't had the time to actually teach myself to do it. What we have in this little kit, it comes in a really cute plastic pouch. It used to have another handle, but it doesn't anymore, but that's okay because I can still carry it around, and plus it's in my set bag. In it, we have the needles. Of course, there's gonna be a bunch in case you lose them because they're super tiny and they come in like a little carrying case for them. And then you have safety pins, straight pins, and buttons for, again, helps you to hand sew to keep things in place, and buttons in case you need extra buttons. And you have a good old measuring tape. Honestly, it's just like a paper one, but if you have a better one, you can use that. And we have an assortment of different color threads. So you have your basic white, basic black, red, green. I don't know why that's in there, but it's in there. And navy blue. And then lastly, thimble. This reminds me of that movie Hook. Also, when you're needling and threading, you don't poke yourself. So again, it's really good to have a little sewing kit in your kit so you can hand sew some things and learn how to do it. I am slacking on that, but I will. Thankfully, I've had an assistant in the past who knows how to do it, but still learn how to do it because you just never know. You can now shop this in my Amazon storefront at the Shop What's in My Kit link in my bio. And of course, if you feel like this video helped you and you want to know what else is in my kit so you can add it to yours, make sure you share, like, and subscribe for more.